like critters better. There is no way I'm touching that animal. No, I don't want to have anything to do with him. Hey, look, I was just thinking about you.
Searching for what you believe is the truth shall never point you in the right direction.
Oh, no, stop. I'm sick of your lame self-help jargon. You know, I'm in a delicate situation. You know about the ring, and you know what it's doing to me.
I know what it's been like, I know what it could have been like, and I know what it'll be like. You're trying to get it back, and that's a dangerous thing. The ring has its own will. It is playing with you.
Tell me more about the ring.
I owned it for a long time, but eventually it got tired of my company. Now it looks like it wants to make up for lost time. It just wants to have fun with other people. No strings attached. A new day, a new guy, and a new life to destroy.
God, like every girl I ever dated. So that ring is to blame for your current state, huh? It turned you into the stinking bum you are now?
Exactly. As weird as it may sound, I wasn't always a bum. It's a funny story, actually. Before I ever laid hands on that ring, I was just a businessman.
Oh, dude, please, I'm bored already. No wonder that ring got tired of you.
That hurt.
Tell me, how can I fix this situation?
You must get to the end of it. Follow your instinct and pay for all your sins.
Pay?
Just go with the flow. There's only one way to solve this problem. If you change the present, the past will be rewritten. And remember, everything you touch will remain marked.
Oh, come on. Tell me something I don't know.
You are going to be murdered.
What the fuck? Did you just say I'm gonna be murdered?
And you will be responsible for your own death.
Damn you, bum. You're creeping me out.
That's what I'm here for.
The ring. It's speaking to me. It says, don't talk to the bum. Good morning, Mrs. Grozer. You look absolutely stunning today. Did you do something with your hair? I like it. I can't believe you're not starring in face cream commercials with a complexion like that. Okay, well, see ya. Alright, so I better take Charlie's advice. I think I need the opinion of a shrink. Maybe he can help me look at the situation from a different perspective, or maybe he can prove to me that none of this is actually happening and it's all in my head. Good morning, miss.
A very good day to you, sir.
Okay, you win. I'd like to see the psychiatrist.
I'm sorry, sir, but Dr. Johnson is a busy man. All the appointments today are already taken.
Could you make an exception? I'm an old college buddy of his.
You're a doctor?
Isn't it obvious?
And you went to college together. I mean, how is that possible? He is much older than you.
I was cryogenically frozen.
And your name is?
Hauser. Dr. Doogie Hauser.
I am sorry, Dr. Hauser. Your name is not on Dr. Johnson's unexpected visits list, so there is nothing I can do. But you can make an appointment for tomorrow morning if you wish.
You know, I'm afraid tomorrow's not good for me.
What about Wednesday, then?
That's even worse. Couldn't you just squeeze me in today, please?
I am sorry, sir, but that would be impossible.
Don't say that. Impossible is nothing, remember?
I am sorry, sir, but you cannot see the doctor unless you make an appointment first. It's that simple.
Yeah, to you maybe.
What is that supposed to mean?
Oh, nothing. It's just that seeing you sitting there in front of that computer makes me wonder, maybe there's someone out there more qualified than you to be bashing away at the keyboard, which by the way doesn't seem to exist, who could just, I don't know, fit me in, let's say, today?
If you're trying to insinuate that I don't know anything about computers just because I'm a woman, you might like to know that I grew up with them. One of my first memories is of an IMSAI 8080.
Hey, me too. Did you use it to change your grades as well? Or play tic-tac-toe against supercomputers named after burgers?
Not really. Did you?
Me, Matthew Broderick, who cares? I don't know what I'm doing here. Peace out.
Have a good day, sir.
I can't. It's not my turn. Hi.
I'll return your greeting just out of politeness, my friend. But please, if it's not too much to ask, could you not bother me right now? I'm trying to enjoy this melody.
Closed for the day. You can find us at our stand at the Sci-Fi Con in Dr. Fred Edison Street. Hey, how's my favorite boss?
Well, well, well. You got a whole lot of sack coming back here. I certainly wouldn't have.
Do you have any work for me or not? I don't have all day.
Work for you? Seriously? Are you serious? Listen, you shouldn't have come back here after you destroyed my most precious possession. I thought you knew better.
Fine. I'm sorry about your dog. I really thought he was already stuffed.
What did you do to Baxter?
Come on, I was just kidding. God, relax, Chief.
I'm not gonna beat about the bush here. This package must be delivered to the Sci-Fi Con ASAP. But there's no way I'm gonna trust you with it. You, sir, are fired!
What? I am the employee of the month.
Hicks, I've told you! Belching the alphabet backwards doesn't make you employee of the month!
Well, that would be very different if we lived in Ireland.
Whatever! I just want you to leave. I don't want to see you ever again. The other option would be to strangle you with my bare hands, but it is easier just to fire you. Far less pleasurable, though.
Oh, come on. You don't mean that. We're like two peas in a pod, like a TV comedy duo. We're inseparable. What would you do without me?
Well, I wouldn't stay up all night worrying that any moment you might go and set my warehouse on fire. Again.
I've never set the warehouse on fire.
Hicks!
Oh, did I set the warehouse on fire? Wow, it looks like once again parallel universes have outdone the original. No, wait, I don't think that's how it goes, but whatever.
Get the hell out of here! You're fired!
What makes you think you can fire me?
Are you threatening me? Do you think that's wise?
What have I ever done to you?
You bastard! What about my super hot chick catalog? It was my most prized possession. You knew that. My marriage went to hell because of that damn catalog, and now you've ruined it.
Actually,
I don't want to hear about it. Get out of my sight.
And what would you say if I told you I had your precious catalog right here?
What the? What, I thought you...
Yeah, same old story. Just save it and give me the damn package already.
Well, let me see it. Oh, I can't believe it. Oh, thank God.
God? I wouldn't go that far. I mean, I just do what I do.
It looks even better than I remember it. And it comes in a new bag, right?
I guess.
Whoa! I thought it had gone up in flames along with everything else in the back room. But you didn't start the fire. You were just trying to save it. Oh, you know, if it wasn't worth a fortune, I'd think this was someone else's. But it can't be.
A fortune? Ah, damn it. I forgot about that detail.
Kid, you're a damned hero. But what am I saying? You are Employee of the Year.
See? I knew it.
Here, kid. I know you really wanted to deliver this package, so here. Enjoy that sci-fi convention. You earned it. Oh, and don't forget to get the delivery note signed.
It's the delivery note for the package. I gotta take the Sci-Fi Con. T-shirts? They say I was at Sci-Fi Con and I'm not a virgin. And what am I supposed to do with these? I guess I should deliver them, but is that my job? Delivering fucking T-shirts? How did it come to this? I did it! Yes! Sci-Fi Con will be held today. Dear customers, remember that today we'll be attending the Sci-Fi Con on Dr. Fred Edison Street.